Hi everyone. I just wanted to make a really quick video for you just to give you some directions on how to create an account in the Molecular Workbench site. So when you click on the link, you'll get to this web page. This is their home page. If you want to look around, there's a lot of really neat information here. But what you really are interested in is this big orange button right here in the middle that says Download MW. Now you'll notice right underneath here it does say that this requires Java. So if you are not up to date and have the latest Java installed on your computer, you may want to click on that so that you can download Java. If you're ready to go, you can click Download MW. It will open up a window here. I'm working on a Mac, so I'm guessing it's probably going to be pretty close to the same thing on a Windows machine. So if it looks a little bit different, don't worry. But this is what mine looks like on the Mac, and it does say Open with Java Web Start. And I want to click OK. I'm going to get my warning that this is coming from the internet. This is an OK site, so you can click OK there. And you'll notice what happens is it opens up a new window in Java. You'll see the Molecular Workbench page come up, and then you'll get a page that looks like this. Now, this is the main Molecular Workbench sort of home page that you get when you're inside of the program. You need to find the MW space up here, and you're going to click on that, and you get to a page that looks like this. Now, notice it gives you some information here about why you should register. And basically the idea here is creating an account is going to link you to my classes that I've prepared so that you can easily access the activities that I've chosen for us to work on. And it also gives you an easy way to hand in any quizzes or questions that are attached to those activities. So if you want to create your account when you're ready, you're going to click here on the Please Register Now. You'll need to fill in a user ID. I'm going to make just a generic ID. I'm just going to say Kowalczyk Student 1. You're going to leave it on the student. Type in an email address. And then set a password. And retype it here. You can fill in your name. Institution, of course, is going to be Mannheim Central High School. And your teacher ID. And this is really important that you type this exactly how I have it on the Schoology page. Please make sure that you're following the capitalization because it is case sensitive. Finish filling in. We're in Pennsylvania, in the USA, and you can click continue. Once you get that, you get to the continuing registration. You will see where I've created the classes, and you can select whichever class it is to which you belong. Now, let's say you're in Honors Chem. If you don't want to receive newsletters, you can leave this as no, and then click register. You'll get this confirmation page. Click visit my website, and you'll notice now this looks a little different. So whenever you go in and log in, anytime you click the My MW space, this is the page you will see. And you'll notice I have an activity selected here, the electrons and atoms activity, which happens to be the one that was the example that I put in the orientation. And you can click on this, and it'll open up the activity for you. You can click on any of the links here and go to those pages. You can fill them in, and when you're finished, you can then very easily link your report, your answers to the questions that you completed, back to me. So if you have any questions, see me in class. I'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, hopefully you'll have no problems filling in your information and creating your account.